Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my Keto Chocolate Extreme Muffins. This is the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth completely guilt-free. Let's get started. These are all of the ingredients that you're gonna need for today's recipe. So we're gonna use 2 cups of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll be using a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, as well as a 1/4 cup each of our dark chocolate chips and our milk chocolate. These are sweetened with stevia. And then we'll be using 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of melted butter. Then we have our 3 eggs, which you have to make sure are at room temperature. And then 1/2 cup of erythritol. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Before we mix our ingredients together, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The nice thing about low-carb muffins is that it really doesn't matter the order we add our ingredients, whether it's dry to wet or wet to dry. So you can really do whatever here. I'm gonna start with my dry ingredients. 2 cups of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of erythritol. All right, and let's mix. We're now going to add in our wet ingredients, starting with our eggs. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Whisk this together. Once you have mixed those ingredients together, it's time to add in our chocolate chips. Starting with a 1/4 cup of our milk chocolate and a 1/4 cup of our dark chocolate. And mix. Perfect, let's set that aside. And we're doing this to avoid our muffins sticking to the bottom of the tin. As you can see, I have 9 muffins here. I have filled mine quite full. If you want to make yours a bit smaller, this definitely makes 12. But I'm just gonna go ahead and add a bit more chocolate chips just on the top. It's time to pop our muffins into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Look at our beautiful muffins we've just removed. You can place a toothpick in the center just to make sure they're done. If not, pop them in for 5 more minutes and then you're good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try and we'll see you next time.